friends, it's Life with Tamika Lynn. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, I do appreciate the support. I hope you guys are having a fabulous 2025. The year has started off quite eventful. I just got over a very nasty cold and I'm finally to the point where I feel like myself again. So I figured what better way than to show you guys my first purchase of 2025. Now, I will preface this by saying I did not think this would be my first unboxing of 2025 because there was something that I pre-ordered last year that's on the way here, but this package happened to arrive first, so I figured I might as well unbox it because I'm super excited to see it. If you've been around for a while, you know that I absolutely love handbags. Like, that is my thing. I love handbags. I love small leather goods. That's like my jizz, right? So I received an email from Tory Burch a couple weeks ago where they were having their semi-annual sale. And I don't know, I clicked on the email, ended up clicking on the link, ended up looking over their website, and I found something that I wanted. I don't have this particular style of bag in my collection, so I thought it would be a nice ad. Plus the price point was pretty good, so I was like, you know what, I might as well go for it. And I don't have a bag that's this color either, so I decided to go ahead and order. Now, when I ordered, the store that it came from was up north, so they were having some really bad weather, so my order was delayed a few days before it was picked up by UPS, and so then, you know, eventually it got shipped to me and it arrived, and then I've been busy this week, so this is the first opportunity that I've had to unbox it. Now, I will say that I don't know, I don't know, hopefully I like it. Hopefully I like it because I'm a sight unseen type of person because, like, I do it all the time with Louis Vuitton. Like, I hardly ever go into the store. I'll pre-order through my CA and then I'll have it mailed to me. But I don't know, this time around I'm just like, gosh, I hope it's the right color because I haven't seen any reviews about it, no pictures about it. So I'm just a little like on the fence, like, gosh, I hope I really like it. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So the box, you know, it came like this, and mind you, I've never ordered online from Tory Burch. All of my purchases have been, you know, in the store. Tory Burch is pretty much everywhere I've lived, except when we were in Europe, Tory Burch was there. It was at most of the outlet malls, but usually, you know, you could easily walk in the mall to Tory Burch. So I've never really had a reason to like peruse their website and, you know, decide on a bag sight unseen, because it's just one of those things where their inventory is usually, you know, pretty substantial and you can just walk in and get what you want. So not familiar with how their packaging is. I said all that to say I'm not sure how, I'm not familiar with how their packaging is when you order online. So I'm curious to see, you know, what it looks like. So in the box, I guess this is probably my receipt, which it is. And then it has some tissue paper. And the tissue paper, of course, it has like the Tory Burch logo. You guys could see that. Those famous teas. And then it's just a little thank you card. Just says thank you. My lighting is so off today. Like, it's really, really sunny outside. But if I turn off my lights in my room, then the video is too dark. So now there's too much light. I apologize for it. But yeah, I know the color is like a lot. It's probably whitewashed, so I'm sorry about that. So anyway, so we took out the tissue paper, and then the other thing that was in the box is simply just the purse. There's no actual shopping bag from the store. It's just the bag that is wrapped in plastic. So I'll just take it out the plastic. There is a dust bag that was next to the actual purse, and it's not the traditional Tory Burch bag. Wow, okay. Unless this is new. I mean, I haven't ordered from Tory Burch in a while, but all right, so I removed all of the wrapping. It was a lot of wrapping, which I can appreciate. They definitely was trying to protect like the hardware and stuff, so I can definitely appreciate that. But anyways, so the bag I ordered is called the Small Fleming Convertible Shoulder Bag, and this is in the color Slate. This particular bag, the reason I wanted it is because I don't know if the color is going to show true on camera, but I felt as if it was such a beautiful gray, and I don't have a gray bag in my collection, so I thought I could pair it well. But now that I'm looking at it, it almost appears to have undertones of like blue. So I wouldn't say it's a true gray, but it's definitely in the gray family, but definitely some undertones of blue. I don't know if the color is exactly what I was expecting, but I don't know. I'll have to play around with it a bit off camera before I fully decide. Now, the strap is not detachable and it's not adjustable. It does have this beautiful silver hardware, and then the leather kind of intertwines, and then there's a piece of leather at the top. It does have this little tassel right here that is removable. So you could put the tassel, you know, in a different spot, or even, I guess, use it like on your keychain, but the tassel is detachable. I'm not sure if I would use this on the purse. Might make it a little too busy, but as far as the outside of the bag, just the one strap, that is a combination of the silver hardware and leather. And then on the front, it has at the top, it has the Tory Burch emblem, and then it has quilting on the front and back. Underneath, it's a smooth piece of leather, and then the leather is smooth on the sides. It does have a magnetic closure, which is pretty, wow, I feel like it's pretty substantial. On the inside of the bag, it's just one open compartment, and it does have a side zip pocket, and then there's two slip pockets on the other side. So when I saw the bag, so let's talk price point, because I thought it was at a really good price point. So the bag was initially $528. Then it was on sale for $349, if I'm not mistaken, and I'll go back and look at my receipt. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. But with the semi-annual sale, which was the email that I received, several emails, I must say, with the semi-annual sale email, they were taking an additional 25% off of all sale items. So my final price was $261, of course, plus tax. So I thought that was a pretty good price, right, for the bag and for what I was getting. I feel like the bag is gonna hold all my essentials, so I could definitely get my small wallet, some chapstick. I don't know if maybe I could fit like a mini pochette and a wallet and my cell phone, so I'll have to play around with that. I don't know. I think I like the purse, but I need to play with it a bit off camera before I fully decide. Tory Burch's return policy is 30 days from receipt of your order. So I do have another, 3 weeks or so to make up my mind to determine if I'm going to return it or not. But I mean, for the price and for such a beautiful bag, this is small grain calf leather. So I mean, for the price and, such a beautiful bag, the intricacy of the bag, the material, all of that, I think it's definitely a good buy. I don't know. The color is throwing me a little bit. I just thought it was like a true gray. So I'm gonna take it in my closet, put it up against a few things, show it to my daughter, get her opinion, and then I'll make my final decision. But as of right now, I think she's a keeper, but I'll definitely update you guys if I happen to change my mind. And then if I keep her, I'll do a follow-up what fits in my bag video. But I do not have a Fleming bag, that's the style, in my collection. So I was truly excited about that. And I do think she is so cute. I will also, if I keep her in my next video, I'll, get some mod shots and all of that jazz. But so yeah, simple, short video. First purchase of 2025. Tory Burch Fleming small convertible shoulder bag. And I got it during the semi-annual sale. If you have enjoyed this video, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting on? It's totally free for us to be friends. I would love to have your support. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and until next time, be safe.